Hello, everyone?
Non! Non, le machin comme il a sauté! Wow!
It's alright. Lissandro, lock this door. On March 8th, 2026, a powerful tornado hit the town of Three Rivers, Michigan, with winds reaching at least 200 kilometers per hour.
ये हालात है भाई किसान की। हमारे खेत में पाइपलाइन फूट चुकी है। 1 एकड़ जंगल में पानी फेंकते हुए जा रही है। ये चने मसूर सब खत्म कर दिए इनने। ये वाला ये बहुत बड़ी पाइपलाइन फूटी हुई है हमारे खेत में।
Sometimes, the only way to stop a forest fire is with a controlled burn. It creates a barrier of burned land, so the wildfire can't spread any further. As the ice on Lake Baikal expands and contracts, cracks form across the surface. And when the ice shifts, those cracks can suddenly open up, turning into dangerous gaps.
Все хорошо.
A 90-meter drop into one of the biggest caves in Indonesia. That's enough to scare almost anyone, but this guy looks like he's loving every second of it.
I'm sorry, everybody.
Right here, Melissa, it's right here. It's right here.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
Hi, baby. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna come up right here. It's coming up and right in front of me. Oh my god, baby, hi!
Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Melissa. Oh my.
Where's the mother? I don't want to die today.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh, there.
Thanks to modern technology, work that used to take hours can now be done in just seconds.
Trời, đỉnh chưa? Đỉnh chưa? Bơi à, bơi. Đấy. Bơi hơi bị giỏi.
A lot of people would envy that orangutan. The kind of luxury it lives in is something most can only dream about.
Rebound and recover. Plus, with the PF Black Card, you can bring a friend anytime and access over 2,800 locations. Join now for $1 down, $24.99 a month, and get your first month free. No commitment. Deal ends Friday, March 13th.
Join our newest clubs in Austin, Lake Creek, and Maynard.
See club for details.
When your technology isn't working.
Nochmals.
Oh, we have to turn left? Oh, God.
I know. What the is inching out? This is actually really scary. Oh my gosh, it's like inching slowly. No, it's gonna go after this
No,
car.
it's not. It better not, because... Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Driverless taxis are the future of transportation, but honestly, they're not for people with trust issues.
It's like praying for us. Jesus, the person's like praying for us. Oh my God. The person's like praying for us. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, my God.
Oh my God. Did you get that on video? Yes, I did. Oh my
Mundur, mapan.
Yeah, y'all are awesome. She's like the envelope queen. Did you get? Oh, nice job.
We broke the matrix. Yes, that's running water. How crazy is that? That's nuts. Aquí tenemos a la valiente de hoy y aquí tenemos a este. Ay.
Even world leaders don't usually get an escort like this. These tourists were surrounded by nearly 400 dolphins, swimming right alongside them.
Whoa! What? Get down! Okay. Get the down! Yes, 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 yes. Let's go get you some water, boy. And this way, come on, you got it? Yeah! Good job, Bubba. Woo!
I'm your friend. Yeah. Come on. Come on. That it is. Yeah. That's right. You're so strong. Very good.
A Polícia Rodoviária Federal também segue. Ai, esse ônibus.